Also, you'll feel more confident. I remember teaching in the 1990s a bunch of former secretaries who were moving from using manual typewriters to using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word version, I don't know, 2 or something, a long time ago. They found it a very intimidating process because they hadn't used this stuff before, and that inhibited their productivity. So it wasn't that the training was a sop, it really helped them feel good, yes, but it actually helped them do the job better. So there's lots of reasons about this. The good approach, of course, the good thing about this approach you're suggesting, Tim, is that if you make this case to the board, you're talking about or talking a language they understand. We bought this system, it cost us X. We're going to make sure it's productive by ensuring that everybody can use it. And that will cost us, I don't know, 1/100th of X. It won't cost you very much. We'll make sure everyone can use it. And you may well be able to point to a competitor who bought it and didn't train people and is now suffering. So I think the great thing is it does help us pass the big boss problem, which is the phrase that's come up in the chat. And I love that as a phrase.